In this video, we're going to demonstrate McConnell taping, or also known as patellar taping, if you're trying to improve medial glide of the patella. Usually you would utilize a cover roll first to put over before applying your leukotape. Once that is applied, what you'll do is take your tape and you're going to put it right at the lateral aspect of the patella, like so. From there, you're going to gradually apply a medial glide and hold that sustained pressure as you apply the tape down. And then from there, again, you want to slowly let off of that pressure. Don't do anything too abruptly. And that is how you would apply patellar taping with a medial glide.